The P0009 code indicates an issue with the engine position system performance on bank 2 of your engine. This means the engine control module has detected that camshaft and crankshaft positions on bank 2 aren't properly synchronized. Bank 2 typically refers to the side of the engine with cylinders 1-3 in V6 or V8 engines. This synchronization involves camshaft and crankshaft sensors connected to the engine control module. The engine control module monitors these sensor inputs to ensure proper engine timing. This synchronization is crucial for fuel injection, ignition, and valve operation. The P0009 code triggers several noticeable symptoms that indicate engine position system issues. First, the check engine light illuminates on the dashboard, warning of a problem. Second, you may experience rough idling, where the engine runs unevenly and vibrates. Third, there's often a loss of engine power, resulting in reduced acceleration and performance. Fourth, increased emissions occur, sometimes visible as dark smoke from the exhaust. Fifth, the engine may stall, particularly during idle or low-speed driving. While not immediately dangerous, ignoring these symptoms can lead to more serious engine damage over time. Several factors can cause a P0009 code. The most common include faulty camshaft or crankshaft position sensors, issues with the timing chain or belt, such as stretching, wiring problems related to the sensors, and in some cases, a malfunctioning ECM. Aftermarket modifications can also sometimes trigger this code due to incompatible sensor calibrations. The most common cause is faulty camshaft or crankshaft position sensors, which monitor engine timing. Issues with the timing chain or belt, such as stretching, can misalign the camshaft and crankshaft positions. Wiring problems, such as damaged or corroded connections to the sensors, can disrupt the signal. In some cases, a malfunctioning ECM can incorrectly detect performance issues. Aftermarket modifications can trigger this code due to incompatible sensor calibrations. Diagnosing a P0009 code requires a systematic approach to identify the root cause of the engine position system performance issue on bank 2. First, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0009 code is active. This diagnostic tool connects to your vehicle's OBD2 port and reads the trouble codes stored in the engine control module. Next, visually inspect the camshaft position sensor and crankshaft position sensor on bank 2. Look for any physical damage, corrosion, or loose wiring connections that could cause signal issues. Then, check the timing chain or belt for signs of wear, stretching, or improper tension. These components synchronize the camshaft and crankshaft positions, and any issues can trigger the P0009 code. Remember, the P0009 code indicates a performance issue with the engine position system on bank 2. It's not simply about replacing individual parts, but ensuring the entire system works together properly. Troubleshooting begins with testing the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors using a multimeter to verify proper function. Next, inspect the wiring harness connected to these sensors for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Repair or replace any damaged wiring as needed, following proper procedures. Always consult your vehicle's service manual for specific testing procedures and values. If the sensors and wiring are in good condition, inspect the timing chain or belt. A stretched timing chain is a common cause of P0009, particularly in higher mileage vehicles. Check the timing marks to ensure they are properly aligned. If the timing chain or belt is worn or stretched, it will need to be replaced by a qualified mechanic. Depending on the root cause, potential fixes for a P0009 code include several targeted repairs. Replace faulty camshaft or crankshaft position sensors if they are damaged or failing. Repair or replace damaged wiring harnesses and connectors that could cause signal interruptions. Replace a stretched timing chain or worn timing belt to restore proper engine timing. In rare cases, reprogram or replace the engine control module if software issues or hardware failure are detected. After repairs, clear the diagnostic trouble code and monitor the vehicle to ensure the issue does not return. Preventative maintenance is crucial for avoiding P0009 and similar engine codes. Regular oil changes keep engine components lubricated and functioning properly, while timing chain and belt inspections can catch wear before it causes synchronization issues. Emerging technologies are transforming diagnostics. AI-driven systems analyze sensor data in real time, predicting potential P0009 issues before they occur. This proactive approach can reduce repair costs and prevent breakdowns. Looking to the future, as electric vehicles become more common, P0009-like codes will decline significantly. EVs lack the mechanical timing components found in internal combustion engines, eliminating many synchronization issues. However, for current gasoline and diesel vehicles, proper maintenance remains essential to prevent costly repairs.